Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Scanner Pro mobile app works. Scanner Pro is a document scanning app developed by Readdle that transforms your mobile device into a powerful and easy-to-use scanner. It allows users to quickly scan paper documents, receipts, IDs, or notes and turn them into high-quality digital files in just a few taps. The app automatically detects document edges and applies smart image enhancements to ensure scans are clean, sharp, and legible. Users can scan in color, grayscale, or black and white, and the app supports multi-page PDF creation. It also features OCR optical character recognition, which lets users extract text from scanned documents and search within them. Files can be saved to the device or uploaded directly to services like iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, or emailed from within the app. Among the pros, Scanner Pro offers excellent scan quality, fast edge detection, and reliable OCR capabilities. It also has strong organizational tools, including custom folders and smart naming features. Another advantage is the ability to automate workflows, such as automatically uploading certain types of scans to preset folders. On the downside, some features are locked behind a subscription, and a few users have reported occasional bugs when syncing with cloud services. Recent reviews suggest that users appreciate the app's ease of use and consistent performance. Many find it ideal for scanning work, documents on the go, or archiving receipts and forms. Users also mention the OCR accuracy as a strong point, though a few wish the app had more free features without requiring a subscription. In conclusion, Scanner Pro is a highly efficient scanning app, suitable for personal and professional use. Its clean interface, robust features, and accurate scans make it a reliable option for anyone needing a digital scanner in their pocket. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.